Hi everyone, I'm Martin. In this session, I will share how you can actually perform a feng shui assessment of a property based on the floor plan without being on site. This is a continuation and also to complement the earlier off-plan property selection video. If you have not seen it, check it out on my YouTube channel. You can also find the video link in the comment section in this video. If you are currently searching for your dream home, this assessment is something that you may be interested. I must emphasize that this property selection assessment is not to replace your purchase checklist. You still have to perform your financial calculation to check on your affordability and whether it is within your budget, but rather the feng shui assessment serve as an additional check or complement your property selection process, whether you are selecting for your own stay or investment. Let us take a look at a residential development as an illustration. Using Park Central residence as a case study, let's take a look at Unit A, which is facing the swimming pool in the southwest direction. Based on the Shen Kong Feng Shui principle, it is auspicious and timely to have the presence of water in the property southwest direction, where the residents can enjoy good fortune, especially relating to wealth and career prospect for the next 20 years. Let's zoom in further to its floor plan. Based on the Shen Kong Flying Star principle, this southwest facing home with the main door open in the north sector is particularly advantageous if the residents work or own a business relating to sales, marketing, media communication, or public relation fields. Let's have another example. Unit B, which is facing the swimming pool in the north direction. Based on Shen Kong Feng Shui again, it is auspicious and timely to have the presence of water in the property north direction. Similar to the earlier example where the home is facing the swimming pool in the southwest direction, the resident can enjoy good fortune, especially relating to wealth and career prospect for the next 20 years. Besides the north and southwest, the east and southeast are also timely and prosperous to have water in these directions. For more details in why these directions are good to have water features, refer to the earlier video on the story of mountain and water in my YouTube channel. Let's dive into its floor plan. Based on the floor plan of the north-facing home, the main door, which opens in the west sector of the home, generates long-term wealth opportunity and growth, and is generally more supportive towards those in the academic, coaching, or scholarly fields, such as those in the research and development, teaching, or education. In these two examples, both homes are unique and can actually benefit the occupants depending on the residents' priorities. Whether the residents are into the communicative related work or businesses, or perhaps they are involved in the more scholarly driven related careers. This is just one of the various feng shui techniques engaged in the property selection process. There are others. Depends on the different emphases on the house that you want to live in, so as to support the life goals of yourself and your family members. More of these feng shui techniques will be shared in future sessions. I must emphasize that the two case studies, as mentioned earlier, is focusing on the main door. A detailed analysis will also include the other essential living space, such as the master and common bedrooms, the kitchen, especially the stove, the study, the living, and the dining. If you want to bring your knowledge to the next level, you can consider attending my Practical Feng Shui Bootcamp. For those who have actually watched my earlier videos in the property selection series, the topics in these videos will be discussed further in details, in the bootcamp. A highlight of this bootcamp is that there will be Feng Shui case study on some of the recent new launches as illustrations as part of the course materials. If you need more details of this bootcamp, do drop me a message and I will get back to you on this live stream training. So if you are currently searching for your dream home, take note of the earlier mention, and if you are in doubt, I can share more with you. I hope you like this short session and it's useful to you, and more of these will be created. You can also visit my website for more articles relating to metaphysics and the Feng Shui consultation services I'm delivering. Check that out. And before you go, give me a like and share this with your friends and to those whom you believe is beneficial to them. Also hit the subscribe button to get notified when we release more new videos. Till then, thanks for watching. I'm Martin Ho, signing out.